Hello, where are you going today? Would you like a more enjoyable flight? Let the NavScroller make your flight easier and more enjoyable. No longer do you need to fumble with folded charts in the cockpit during your flight. Folding, unfolding and refolding charts are a distraction that you can do without. Now it's easier to use your chart during your flight. Now you can scroll your chart. Scrolling your chart with the NavScroller will make your flight easier and more enjoyable. The following are step-by-step instructions for loading a chart and using the product. Press pause at any time if needed. Step 1. Fully open your chart on a flat surface prior to your flight. Step 2. Remove both chart support rods from the base rail. This is done by aligning the lines on the bottom of the support rod and bottom of the base rail, and pulling the support rod out. Step 3. Place the support rod at the edge of the chart, while aligning the bottom of the chart with the bottom of the support rod. Put a mark on the chart at the top of the support rod. The mark indicates the highest point at which you will place tape in the next step. Step 4. Starting at the mark, put 3 pieces of tape evenly spaced on the chart. It is best to put the edge of the chart at the center line of the tape, so an equal amount of tape is on the chart and eventually on the support rod. Try to keep the tape parallel to the chart edge. Step 5. Align the bottom of the chart with the bottom of the support rod, then tape the chart onto the support rod. It is important to keep the chart parallel to the support rod to make sure that the chart will roll straight on the support rod. Next, roll the chart entirely onto the support rod. Use a piece of tape if necessary to temporarily keep the chart tight and to prevent it from unwinding. Next, align the mark on the support rod to the mark on the base rail. Lift the tension spring and insert the support rod into the base rail. You will feel them snap into place if they are properly aligned. Next, install the opposite support rod into the base rail. Then pull the chart toward the support rod and tape along the chart as shown. Now you will be able to scroll your chart. It is easiest to scroll the chart when the paper is slightly loose. Trying to scroll the chart when the paper is too tight, as shown, will damage the chart. Next, bend the chart over the end of the support rod. You can bend the chart in whichever direction you like, depending on what side of the chart you need to see. It is better to make a U-shaped bend, as shown, which allows the chart to bend more easily. When your course takes you to the opposite side of the chart, just flip it over. The thumb wheels of the support rod will now be at the top. In the center of the base rail is the detachable Waypoint Positioner. The positioner is used along your course line to easily keep track of your current position at all times. Remove the positioner from the base rail and pinch the paper chart in between the top and bottom magnetic pieces. It's simple to slide the positioner along your course line as you fly along. Both sides of the positioner have an airplane feature in case your flight course takes you to the opposite side of the chart. It is helpful to point the nose of the airplane feature in the same direction as your plane heading. Having this physical reference is cheap insurance should your electronics go dark. From here you will know your options, and will be able to quickly adapt, in an emergency. Use a pencil to write the name of your chart, and effective date, on the bottom of the base rail. This will help you to keep your charts organized, as you fly along. Use the pencil eraser as needed. Maintenance and warranty suggestions. If the spring becomes less tense over time, use a tool to flip the spring over, and then begin using it again. Loosen the chart slack before scrolling the chart. If you have warranty concerns, please contact us for assistance prior to contacting a distributor. Try the NavScroller today. It's an amazing product, and will help make your flight more enjoyable. For more information, please visit www.onthewaypoint.com or call 530-677-7727. Again, our phone number is 530-677-7727. Enjoy your next flight.